All right, this one is going to look hard, but it's not that hard. It's just a lot of work. And by the way, you can't make any mistakes. So I got 3x times the quantity negative 2x plus 7 minus 5 times the quantity x minus 1 times the quantity 4x minus 3. So the first thing I'm going to do is over here, this stuff right here, let's go ahead and multiply that out. And I'm just going to do it over here to the side. So I'm going to say x minus 1 times the quantity 4x minus 3. So this becomes positive 4x squared minus 4x minus 3x and then plus 3. If I combine like terms, negative 4 plus negative 3 is negative 7. So this whole thing becomes 4x squared minus 7. 4x squared minus 7x plus 3. Now, that still has to be multiplied by 5. Now over here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to distribute this through the parentheses. So 3 times negative 2 is negative 6. X times x is x squared. Now multiply by this term. Positive 3x times a positive 7 is just positive 21x. Next, I'm going to distribute this negative 5 through the parentheses here. Negative 5 times 4x is going to be negative 20x squared. Negative 5 times negative 7x is a positive 35x. And then negative 5 times positive 3 is a negative 15. Now everything in red remains the same. I've got negative 6x squared plus 21x to the first power. So for here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to look for my x squareds first. So I've got negative 6x squared and a minus 20x squared. So when you combine those, I got a negative 26x squared. Next, I'm going to look for my x to the first power. So this is x to the first power. This is x to the first power. So I'm going to combine this and this. So 21 plus 35, what's that, 56? Yes, Mr. Adams. And we tack on our x. And then I think lastly, we just have this constant all by its lonesome. Negative 15. Yeah. Check my answer, make sure it's right. It is. And that is it. Well, bam with the bacon sizzle.